qadi, such type of noun. And what is specification of this word? It has see ya ends with ya, not it has. We say it ends. The word end is important. So instead of saying it has, we would say it ends with ya. And yeah, that's why I mentioned the kasra here with a different color, so that you know it can be clearly seemed, it can be clearly seen. So yeah, like ma qabal mean what is before, ma mean what is, qabal is before. What is before? What is before? Maksur means given kasra. What is before? That is given kasra. So no, ya and having kasra before. Simple meaning, simple translation. So again, nouns that look like qadi, their identification, specification, or their identity, or their symbol is they have ya, they end with ya having kasra before. Ya has kasra before, fine. So it's called manqoos. If it ends with ya, but I mean ends with ya having standing fatha before, then it is maqsoor. Musa, Isa, Yahya. Fine. That is maqsoor, but this is manqus. Remember these two. This is seventh and eighth. Seventh type is nouns look like Musa, Isa, Yahya, ending with ya having standing fatha before. And type number eight, Thamin, nouns like Qadi, ending with ya having kasra before. So previous type, like these two types, they end same. They end with ya, but this seventh one, it has standing fatha before, alif maqsura. But this one, it has ya before. I mean kasra before ya.